Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to MAARGDARSHAK Play School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject English. Today we will learn strokes. Strokes means lines, different patterns of lines. If we learn these strokes, it will be easy for you to write alphabets. Yes, we'll start with first stroke. Which line is this? How is the line? Standing. Yes, standing line. You will write this in your 4-rule English classwork. You will write this in your English 4-rule classwork. You will divide the paper into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you will write it in the 4 lines. Strokes, standing line. Yes, first one is what? Standing line. Touching the first 3 lines. Touching the first 3 lines. You will touch the first 3 lines and write. Standing line. Which line is this? Yes, standing line. How is the line? The line is standing. Yes, when you will stand straight. Yes, this is standing line. Up to down. Standing line up to down. Standing line. Come on, say. Standing line. Once again. Touching the first 3 lines. Touching the first 3 lines. Standing line. You will say and write it in your notebook. You will say and write it in your notebook. Come on, say. Standing line. Touching the first 3 lines. Once again. Standing line. Yes, which line is this? Standing line. Next comes sleeping line. You will write sleeping line on the first blue line. Okay. This is sleeping line. Yes. Which line is this? Sleeping line. When you sleep on the bed, how you will sleep? Yes, in this way. No, standing, you will stand in this way. Sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Once again. Sleeping line on the first blue line. Yes, which line is this? Sleeping line. Say, sleeping line. Which line is this? Standing from up to down. First 3 lines. Touch the first 3 lines. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Once again. Sleeping line. Say and write it in your notebook. Sleeping line. Say which line is this? Standing line. Sleeping line. Each stroke, each line you will write, each stroke you will write 2 pages. Okay. Standing line 2 pages. Sleeping line 2 pages. Okay. Each stroke you are going to write 2 pages. You will divide the paper into 4 or 5 equal parts. Okay. You will divide the paper into 5 parts and then you will write each stroke. Standing line, full complete one paper. In second paper also standing line. Then you will write sleeping line. Every day one stroke you will write. Today if you are writing standing line, next day you standing line 2 pages. Tomorrow you will write. Yes, next day you will write sleeping line 2 pages. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line. Next stroke. Slanting line. Yes, how is the line? The line is not straight. It is slanting. How it is? Slanting. Yes, when you slide, how you will slide? Yes, how the slide will be? Up to down. No, slanting. Slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Say once again. Slanting. Slanting line. Slanting line also will touch the first 3 lines. You will touch the first 3 lines, but the line should be slanting. Yes, slanting line, touching the first 3 lines. This is straight line, standing line. This is slanting. Yes, how is the line here? Slanting. Once again, slanting line. Now say all 3 lines. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Once again, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Yes, which line is this? Slanting. We have one more slanting line. This is also known as slanting line. Yes, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Yes, slanting line, slanting line. Once again say slanting line. Yes, slanting line. Once again, slanting line. Which line is this? Standing, standing line. Which line is this? Sleeping, sleeping line. Which line is this? Slanting. Which line is this? Slanting, slanting line. Once again, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Once again, shall we write? Yes, first which line is this? Which stroke? Standing line. Yes, right. Standing line. After completing standing line 2 pages, sleeping line 2 pages, this slanting line 2 pages and this slanting line 2 pages, you will write all these 4 in one paper. How I have written today? Yes, in this way after completing every stroke, these 4 strokes, 2 pages, you will write in one paper all 4 strokes. You will write in one paper all 4 lines. Okay. Which line is this? Standing. Next, which line is this? Sleeping. Which line is this? Sleeping. Then slanting line. One more slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Once again say standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Once again, standing, standing line, sleeping, sleeping line, slanting, slanting line, slanting line. Say standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. Next comes sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, slanting, slanting line, slanting, slanting, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Now take out your classwork. If you have completed standing and sleeping line in your classwork 2 pages today, you will write slanting line 2 pages. Yes, next you will write this slanting line 2 pages. After completing all these four strokes, you will write in this way all 4 strokes in one paper. Okay, if you learn these strokes properly, then it will be easy for you to learn alphabets A to Z. Yes, so practice these strokes in your classwork neatly. Each stroke you are going to write 2 pages. Homework, what is your homework? Each stroke 2 pages. HW, EACH, each, ST, RO, KE, stroke 2 pages. TW2, PAGES, pages. Each stroke you will write 2 pages. After completing all these 4 strokes, then you will write in this way all 4 strokes in one paper. Okay, complete your work with good and neat handwriting. While writing standing line, it should be standing way only. Slanting line, it should be in slanting way only. Okay, write it neatly and correctly and learn the strokes. Okay, complete your work and learn it. Thank you, children.